See that this is what it looks like. Drinking all day, Bush Light, a hood Sprite. I'ma hit the bar, take more shots than Suge Knight. Hey, so send me naked pics. Their ass looking fatter on it.
Doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in.
Hello?
Hi, this is Bridget. Should I come over later?
I'm sorry, I don't know a Bridget.
Well, that's not what you said when you hugged me last night.
You think we're an item just because I gave you a hug? Trick! You better think again. We are not gentlemen! Yo, I'll hug a girl like it don't mean nothing. Then turn around and start hugging her cousin. I don't love them. End of the fucking discussion. Got him tucked between my wings like Thanksgiving stuffing. She want a hug from behind. I did it. Then a friend jumped in. I'm with it. A hug is tighter than a tube top. After that, it's just a matter of time before the other shoe drops. I get more hugs than Oprah selling drugs, and the drug was pure X. No marriage, no sex. Just
Don't get mad, girl. We get mad girls, and we're hugging all over the world. So don't catch feelings. It ain't love. We're just the kings of giving out hugs. If you want to settle down, but you got it so wrong. So on to the next one. No disrespect, huh?
Been away for college, was the baddest geek around. He's been doing everything but make his parents proud. He tried his best to study hard, but still he got too drunk. Won lots of beer pong tournaments, but still he had to flunk. His ex-girlfriend got a girlfriend. It's Barbie, tried a female